Hi, Innocent Miracle here. Welcome to Chess with Dutch. Today we're going to continue our series on how to play chess, and today we're going to be focusing on how chess pieces capture, how to capture with chess pieces. So without further ado, let's get started. At this point, I have set up a random chess position on the board just to illustrate how the chess pieces capture. We'll start with the knight. The knight, let me take that back. The knight, they capture in L direction, like I've said earlier, like I told us in previous videos. They move two squares forward and one square. That's basically in an L direction. L direction. They capture this way and this way. So, like I said, the piece, they all capture the same way they move. First, that's the knight. It captures the same way it moves. The queen also captures the same way it moves. Queen captures the same way it moves. The rooks, they capture the same way they move. The bishops, the bishops capture the same way they move. And that's it for this piece. The only piece that don't capture the same way they move are the pawns, and I'm going to explain to us briefly. Alright, so the pawns, however, are the only pieces that don't capture the same way they move. The pawns, they move from their starting positions. They can move two squares at once or one square, depend. And it's only in their starting positions that they can move two squares. In subsequent positions, they can only move one square. I can see I'm only permitted to make one square move. So I'm just making some random moves just to explain to us how the chess piece move. Now they capture in a completely different way. They capture in a diagonal way. They move in vertical ways, but they capture diagonally. Now this white pawn here has the option of either capturing this piece by the left. You can see it captures the piece diagonally, but it only moves forward. As you can see, it can go diagonally and only move forward. So it has the option of capturing or moving forward. Just so that you know, you cannot capture a piece with your pawn if they are next to each other. For example, I make this move and perhaps my opponent makes this move. Now we are both stuck. I cannot capture with this piece or this piece, and they can also capture with this piece or this piece. So basically, you can only capture in a diagonal way, and you move in a straight line. And pawns, once they start moving, they don't move back. That's one thing about them. Once they start moving, they don't move back. And I also said that they can move one square from the initial position or two. So that's it for this video. In subsequent videos, I am going to explain special moves in chess like castling, en-passant, and pawn promotion. Thank you very much for following the series thus far. If you have any question, drop it down in the comment section below, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing content. See you in the next video. Check.